Hi, I'm Lee. This channel is intended for positivity and love and to share experiences. This channel is intended for fun too, so I'm not going to be all serious all the time. We are going to product test and review things and do fun stuff on the way. I also want to share my love of life and learning. Multimedia covers video editing, graphics design, photography, and web. I'll love it if you take the journey with me to learn and share my experiences and share your experiences too. Do feel free to make comments and constructive criticisms. Do keep your comments friendly and nice to each other and to me, because this is a positivity channel. And so spread love and happiness to each other. So feel free to make suggestions on future topics. I'd love to do a video based on your suggestions if I like the sound of it. I will start with once a week postings and then gradually increase as time goes to twice a week when I get the momentum going. So I'm going to show you a very basic setup that I would use for screen recording and simultaneously recording myself. At the moment I've launched QuickTime movie recording in order to film myself. Screen recording is quite useful for gamers, so they can record their steps as they play the games and record themselves at the same time. It's also useful for lectures, tutorials, even dance. You can record your dance moves and talk at the same time. It's also useful if you wanted to record your own learning path. So you want to know the exact steps you took in order to solve a software issue or hardware issue, for instance, on your Mac or PC. So it's quite useful for that. You can see that I'm being recorded as well as the screen recording happening at the same time. Okay, so how did I set up this simultaneous screen recording? I'll go to File, New Movie Recording. It's been grayed up because I'm currently recording myself in order to show you. So first I'm going to screen record, and I screen record because it's got this symbol here. This is the stop button when I'm ready to stop recording. So I'm going to go ahead and find the OBS software that I just downloaded. So I'm just going to open here. If you want your OBS to be on your dock, you just drag it. You click and drag. Yeah. So next time you go into your Mac, it will be on your dock. I just want to note that in your preferences, under System Preferences in Mac, you want to go to Security and Privacy, and then enable OBS, because this enables it to record you. So here we are in OBS. First we might want to go and look at the preferences, and let's see where it outputs to. So at the moment it defaults to my users, the movies folder. That's fine. Format is MKV. Right, so to view MKV, you can download a software, VLC. but at the moment I'm happy to record MP4 files, which is my video file. Just gonna leave that as it is. Let's get some stuff on. Oops. So first of all, I want to get some source in there. So let's capture the display. This area here. Display capture, just going to leave it default. Fill that box here. And then we are going to try and record video capture device. Currently I'm using the FaceTime HD camera that's built into Mac. So do pay attention to ensuring that you select the right device. Access it. There you go. Oh, haven't actually started the recording yet. So start record here. Okay, everything I'm going to do now is going to be recorded. So we're going to go ahead and record. Sims. I don't know how this game works, to be honest. Ooh. Nope. Okay, that will do. And let's go back to here, and we're going to stop recording. Nope. So that's how you use OBS and QuickTime on the Mac to do screen recordings, as well as you're filming you at the same time. So I'll be demonstrating OBS as well as Xbox Game Bar. Depending on your Windows version and what sources you want to use, you may need to set OBS to run on a specific graphics processor, as most laptops have more than one graphics adapter. So set settings. Then I've already saved which app to set preference for the graphics settings, and I've chosen OBS to, on the options section, already selected power saving, so save that. So then I'll go to the control panel, and you go to the NVIDIA control panel. I'm going to manage 3D settings, and here we're going to go to global settings and choose high performance NVIDIA processor. And if you've got other graphics card, then the selection will be here too. And then go to program settings. Takes a couple of seconds to load. If usually is listed here, your OBS Studio, but if it's not, you go to Add and look for the OBS Studio here, and then add selected program, and it'll come up. There you go, the details here. And then you go to the second part, is to select the preferred graphics processor for the program. So I'm going to use high performance NVIDIA processor here. And then you go to apply, and that will take a couple seconds for the apply to work. And now you've made the settings for OBS to record your display basically. So the display is recording now. The other way to record on PC is the Xbox Game Bar. We're not too interested in the other features at the moment.
We want to press the record button.
Go ahead and record.
Okay. And now whatever I do on this screen will record. So I'm going to play a Disney cartoon.